What's up everybody? I really hope you guys are having a great day. It is a beautiful day. The sun may not be shining, but hey, there's always a reason to smile. So I know some of us really don't have time to get ready in the morning. Like, I do not have time. I wake up somewhat late and then I have to go to class, but you know, sometimes I still want to look cute, you know, have a little something on my face. So I want to show you guys really easy steps on how to not really have a face beat but still look cute at the same time. So if you guys want to see how I do my everyday makeup, if you want to call it, please keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to do to achieve this everyday makeup look is we are going to prep the skin. I'm going to use my Maybelline Babyskin Instant Pore Eraser, and this is a drugstore primer, so you can find it at Clicks and Discount. So I'm just going to warm it up and apply it all over the face. And remember, if you have oily skin, you want to focus it more on the areas where you get oily the most. So maybe it's your T-zone. Okay, so now once that is done, we are going to head over and do our brows. Now, I haven't waxed my brows in a while, so it's going to be difficult to get that perfect shape that I want, but it's an everyday look, so I'm not really stressing about it. So now I'm going to take my Essence Brow Designer, and this is in the color 02 Brown. And we're just going to start carving out the natural shape of my brow. If you want a more in-depth brow tutorial, I did do a high-end versus affordable eyebrow, so I'll put the link in the description box. But this is just when you're in a rush and you're just trying to have a cute look, so we're just going through this really quickly. Now we're going to conceal the brow, so I'm going to take my Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade FAWN. Now this is not actually my correct shade. I'm going in with the shade closer to the color of my foundation because I want it to look more natural, and because I'm not going to put on any foundation, we just wanted to be more close to my skin color, so it doesn't really just stand out. So that is the trick that I do. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, so you can just take any brush, even if it's flat or fluffy, and then you just want to blend in the concealer. So now that we are done with the brows, I'm going to go in and conceal any dark marks on my face or anything that I just want to hide. So again, I'm still going to use the same concealer, which is in the color FAWN, which is a bit closer to my foundation color. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing a little bit under the eyes. Because you know, we be sleeping late, we're trying to get this degree, and then Gucci bags appear, so just want to cover them. And also around the mouth, I am a bit darker, so I'm just going to conceal here as well. So once you are done concealing everywhere, then you're going to take a flat brush, so it's like sort of dense compact, and then you're gonna pat the concealer in. So remember, you don't want to swat because now what you're trying to cover up is not going to be covered up anymore. So you just want to pat it in. And remember to use a very light hand under your eyes because the skin around your eyes is very sensitive. So you don't want to be rough around those areas. You will regret it when you are older, trust me. So now I'm just going to go in with my hand just to make sure everything is seamless and it's not standing out. Guys, actually your fingers are really the best tools, honestly. So now you just want to set everything. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the color dark. And you just want to pat the concealer in. And you can just put it all over your face as well. And once you are done with that, I actually forgot to put some gel on my brow, so I'm just going to use this Brow This Way brow styling gel from Revlon. So this just helps to lock in the haze, and this gel has argan oil, so it actually helps with hair growth as well. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara because we want to have the eyes pop and we want to look like we are awake. So I'm going to use my Revlon Dramatic Definition, and guys, this is really one of my favorite mascaras. If you feel like you do not have eyelashes, get this mascara. You will have lashes, I'm telling you. And it really catches those baby hairs underneath your eyes, your lower lash line. Okay, so now we want to have like a bit of a glow on the face, right? So I'm going to take my Master Strobing stick from Maybelline, and I'm going to put it on the highest points of my face, which is the cheekbones and the nose and Cupid's bow. So that will give you that natural glow. And trust me, when you're standing in the sun, it will show. It looks very subtle, but it is a beautiful highlighter, especially for an everyday look. So I'm just patting it in using my fingers. And sometimes I actually like to put on the eyelids as well, just for an extra something, you know. Last but not least, I like to do the lips, so I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner, and this is in the color Nightmoth, and then I'm going to go over it with the gloss, which is from Essence. Shine, shine, shine. Guys, that name, I don't know. Whoever came up with that lip gloss name, wow. So I'm just gonna align my lips. And of course, for the final step, some setting spray. I'm going to use my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And that is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Really guys, this is really what I do when I do want to put on makeup. Like every day, just going to campus, going to class, nothing much is going on, and I come back home. But I do not do this every single day, you know. I mean, some days I'm really just late and I have to run to class. But when I do have that extra 15 minutes, this is what I do. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Before I close out today's video, I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Danelle Victor. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you would like a shout out, you know what to do. Hit the red button below, and it could be you one of these days. Also, just let me know in the comment section below so I can see that you actually subscribed. But thank you so much for the love and support, guys. I really appreciate it. And I just want to give you guys a little motivation. Just go out for your dreams. I mean, we have one life to live, and if you are going to be scared to pursue what God has really placed inside of you, then you're not going to live a life that is fulfilling. So if you want to do something, just go and do it, even with that fear in your heart, you know, because you never know what's going to happen. Think about the good that's going to happen, not the worst that can happen. So I hope you take something from that, and may your day be ever flawless as you wake up. Mwah. Love you guys.